Hey guys, welcome to Nitro RCX, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at one of our customer favorites, the Rally Monster short course truck. The Rally Monster is ready to run out the box, fully assembled with a 2.4 gigahertz radio controller. Full ball bearings throughout, hobby grade, so you can change out the servos or switch out to a bigger and larger motor. It is a 110 scale short course truck. You have your brushed 540 motor with a removable cooling fin on there. If you ever upgrade to a brushless system, you can swap that over. Talking about upgrades, this is a standard 540 motor, so your mounting points are going to be the same if you ever decide to mount a brushless motor in here. It is shaft-driven four-wheel drive. You got an aluminum shaft running down the middle, driving power to the front and rear differentials. These are steel axles going to the drive shaft cups and giving you four-wheel drive. You have oil-filled shocks front and rear. Those are tunable. You can get different sized pistons. You can put different weight oil in there to change the tunability of these shocks. It is a plastic bodied shock and you have aluminum caps. You're getting a brushed ESC, and this is LiPo compatible. With the switch of a couple pins here, you can use a 7.4 volt lithium polymer battery, 2-cell. It is waterproof, so you can run it through puddles. You're also getting a waterproof receiver and a waterproof steering servo, high torque steering servo. Everything is adjustable. You do have a steering servo saver here to take hits. If you smack a curve, it will save your servo gears. Your steering tie rods, camber tie rods, front and rear are adjustable, so you can change camber angles front and rear. The differentials are planetary geared. You have metal gears inside that will take the punishment if you do ever decide to upgrade to a brushless system. You're getting off-road style wheels. These are 12mm hex, which is a standard for 110 scale, so you can swap out for different tires and wheel sizes from many different companies. It comes with a 7.2 volt nickel metal hydrate battery. Gives you about 10 to 15 minutes of runtime, 1800 milliamp hour. We did mention this truck is ready to run, so you are going to get a charger with this battery. But if you want more runtime and power, don't look into the brushless system yet. You'll get a nice boost in power just by upgrading to a 2-cell battery. And this ESC is capable of handling that right out the box. So that finishes off the quick look at the Rally Monster. Be sure to click the link below. And if you want more information, definitely check them out at nitrorcx.com.